Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. Sorry for the late start, guys. I had some technical issues here. I had to restart my computer, and but I think we're good now. I think we're all right. Testing. Make guys, sound okay? I think the sound should be okay right now. Where is my testing? Okay, we're good. Should be good. All right, guys, let's do some charting here together because I have not had the chance to do any charting just yet. So I will need just a little bit of patience here. Probably won't be taking any trades here in the short term because I am gotta reset my charts. I had to restart my computer this morning trying to get you guys from not away from lagging. I know we've been lagging a lot, and I think I might have gotten most of it figured out. One last thing I'm gonna have to do, but I'll do that on my own time. Let's see. Just gotta get my chart set up here in one sec, guys. I will do some charting with you guys for you to see how I do it. Cool. Yeah, I don't want to start today feeling anxious, but I'm gonna do this with you guys, and then I have to double and triple check everything. All right, so let's do some charting first, and see where we currently are. So so we've dropped down from this value area up here that we made, and we're back into the previous range here that we were at earlier. We have a point of control down at 26,824. Right now we're looking at, let's see, a 30-minute. Do we have any 30-minute? See if we have any 30-minute targets right now. Yeah, last one we had was a MOAS power short down to the lower ranges here, which could be down in this area, 26,600. Okay, that could be a target to keep our eyes on. Shift. Yeah, market is opening right now. Market is open. And I'm a bit late here. There, she's moving. Good chance here we can get a pop. We had a really nice absorption here happening, and looks like the buyers beat the sellers here on the delta. So we could be getting a move back. I like the move to the upside. Let's see what we got here on the 5-minute. What's the 5-minute telling us? 5-minute had a move to the downside there earlier. Nothing really here. Everything's been cleared out. This level here, that level's been taken. This level here, this level has been taken. So I got a level here that I want to pay attention to. I like the pop better. Now we just hit this 1-minute target here, but I do favor a reversal better. I do favor a reversal better. Okay, I want to see this here as possible resistance. Okay, right now things are looking pretty good back to the upside. Check my settings here. Everything looks good. 15 seconds. 1, 5, beginning long range. Everything's good. All right. I'm watching for a bounce. I like to see a bounce. Yeah, I like the longs here possibly. Get ready for a possible long bid. Gonna try a quick long here in the next 10 seconds, guys, and this closes with a green candle. All right, I'm long. Stop loss. Gonna be at the recent low. TP, I'll put it at 180. Okay, 70 is my stop loss. 180 is my TP. See if we can get a little push. We got to break through this white level right here, 150. She could be a little bit of a resistance. We got the VWAP and we get the VWAP here at 237. She breaks the 180. She can go as high as 260, 250, even up here. This level here at the VWAP could be very possible. I'll be happy with a 180 hit here first thing in the morning.
She said it again.
She did it again? She's too funny. You copy traders on, babe?
Huh?
Your copy trader was on?
Yeah.
It's connected, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. We got a little bit of pull back there at the very last second.
It connects all the accounts there.
All two of them.
Yeah. What'd you say?
All two of them, yeah.
Yeah.
But you'll have more in the future.
He's like all two of them.
But you'll have more in the future.
Thanks.
Okay, good. Looks like she might go to 180 here if we can get this little last push.
Yeah, me too. And then he told me, well, that's the thing, he told me about it, I had no idea what he was saying, and now that I'm in it, I'm like, okay. So it helps, you just have to reconnect it. Yeah, exactly.
Alright, trying to get NQ to push here to 180. Let's see if she can get it. There, she almost go. You got it, babe?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
How'd you?
I didn't get mine's is at a little higher, I think at 182 by accident.
Oh, okay.
Come on, you bastard. Push. Push, NQ. Push early in the morning for us, because I'm sure the rest of the day is going to be garbage.
Come on, man.
Bullshit, NQ. Bullshit, baby. Don't be such a Karen. Don't be a Karen all your life, baby. Come on, let's go. Let's go, NQ.
Oh, the teasing is annoying.
It is annoying. Push, NQ. You always do the same thing to me every day. Every day, different day, same story every time. Come on, NQ. You always give me this little. Oh, I'm gonna go. I promise. I promise. No, no, no. I can't take your word for it anymore, NQ. I can't. All right, I'm gonna go to break even on this just in case she wants to be like the ultimate Karen of all time. Break even. Push it, NQ, go. Stop it. All right, there we go. We got it. Nice. Fun. All right, guys. All right. We made $96 guys. I retire. All right, we probably get this push to the VWAP. I did like this little pattern right here. This is the reason we took this long. Reason we took this long here is because we had this push, got to hit the target here on the 1 minute, and then we got this little nice combo right there, telling us that buyers here were being absorbed big time. Look at this, huge delta here. Buyers being absorbed, real big there. But it closes a doji, and then the next candle here was a beautiful bullish delta candle. So we got the nice hit right to 180. So nice, grab the liquidity, and now anything can happen. We'll see. Let's do a little chart analysis right now on the ES. Haven't got a chance to do that yet. All right, so we took this level out. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. That's taken. Okay. Shut up to 5 minutes. Let's go back here real quick. 1 sec. All right, come on. We got a level up here. Damn, this thing is ES is looking kind of rippy. Yeah.
Just said her hand was itchy, so she's like, I'm about to make money.
Oh yeah, that's what I like to hear. We're probably not going to take too many trades today, guys, because tomorrow is FOMC, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I'll look at the calendar, but I think tomorrow is FOMC. So that means that usually the day before FOMC, we get the worst price action. Worse than probably what we've seen recently. But we got a lot of levels to the upside on the ES. Heck of a lot. Who are you?
Yeah.
Oh, instead of the 8 that you normally sleep?
Yeah, this thing said I had a okay sleep yesterday.
Yeah, that's not good for you.
I miss the days when it was that long.
All right, we're at point of control on the ES. Let's see. Now, where does it want to go? Looks like the ES wants to come and take up some higher levels up here. Okay, 5 minutes. Yeah, ES looks pumpy. ES looks real pumpy. Yeah, it's already up at 200. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Yeah. Let's look at that. Longs are looking good and strong right now. Okay, 1 minute on the ES right now, rippity rip to the upside. And as long as we can get above this level 183, that was a level earlier, but not anymore. Probably gonna get through that. Yeah, if we manage to stay below this pink line today, then we are going to see some much lower prices. But if we get above it, then we're probably going to go for some of those targets that I just outlined. She got VWAP, right? Nice. She got VWAP. We caught the low-hanging fruit on it. We caught that low-hanging fruit. Let's see if we can get some more low-hanging fruit today. I'll be happy with just a couple of those. What the heck happened here? What is this about? So we're gonna get a pullback here any minute now. All right, what's up with Bitcoin? We just got an alert on Bitcoin. Oh, wow. All my charts are gone. I got to reset all those charts. Okay. All right, we got a little choppiness here at the VWAP. Looks like we could get a rollover in just a moment. What was next? Yeah, we had gold. Yeah, let's reset all my charts now since I had to restart my computer. I love when this happens. Gold. I love gold. YM. Let's reset YM. RTY. Let's go ahead and reset that. This is fun, isn't it? I don't even know what the rest of them were. I can't recall. I think one of them was obviously oil. Let's put oil on the chart. Oil looks like it's heavy. All right, let's put on Bitcoin next. Obviously, we're gonna have to fix all these charts. Let's put on the volatility. Let's put on NVIDIA. Actually, let's put on the Mag 7 first. No, let's go. Let's put on NVIDIA. NVIDIA fell off a cliff here this morning. What happened to NVIDIA? Holy smokes. What is this? Oh no, that's, oh wow, we gapped down like crazy. Let me go extended trading hours on that. We gapped down like crazy on NVIDIA. All right, let's go to Mag 7. And here we got the stock market heat map. NVIDIA's down 2%. The rest of the market looks pretty heavy too. That's why the market sold off overnight. All right, so we're back here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I think they want to bring this thing back down. Ew, yikes. All right. I love days where I have to reset all my charts.
Yeah, I think I was down by like $17. I was down by like 17.
Talking to me?
No.
Okay. All right, we got a lot of support at 133. Yeah. Yeah. If we pull back, we got a lot of support in this little area right here. Let's see what happens at this area 160. If we don't hold that, it could come down lower to retest this area. Yeah, we break this level to the downside, we could come down and see 80. That's what I'm thinking. That's what we could get. This level here was nice. Nice little hit here. We got the same thing happening right now, which is we got sellers right here being absorbed by the buyers, but then the sellers have taken over. They did it twice, here and here. So this could give us a move back to retest the 168 level. So keep your eyes on that. This is a bearish combination right here. These two candles next to each other. Delta also looking the same. I'd watch that for a possible move back down to 166. I've got no targets on the 5 minute right now. Let me see something. Just check something. Yeah, I don't have any targets on the 5 minute. Last target we had was up here. So we're waiting for one now. Okay. Looking all right here. What should I call or put today? I don't know, Luke. But right now the market looks like it wants to head down to about 160. Good morning to everyone in the chat here. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to say hello to everyone, but it was a pretty busy morning for me trying to get all my systems set up. Had to reset the computer. A lot of things happening here, but we are here. We're present. Got our charting done pretty much. Well, Nvidia had a huge move to the downside. What happened here on Nvidia? We probably had some news. Something happened on Nvidia. We got rejected from that. I think there was an all-time high up here. Attempt for an all-time high on Nvidia. Actually, no, we made a new all-time high. It looks like. Looks like we got to 216. So I guess that's an all-time high. She just had some profit taking more than likely here, and she still has some room to the downside. Looks like we got a target at 206. So I would say if we catch a rejection around this area up here, around the 213s, the 214s, maybe even a sweep of the 214 level, could end up seeing a move right back down. Or maybe we just reject now. We're at the VWAP right now for Nvidia. So we could see a move down. We just have to be patient and wait. Oil seems to be also looking to, she just broke 100. We're under 100 now. Pretty nasty rejection up here. Blow off top, rejection. And we got no targets. We don't have any targets right now. Not in a 5-minute at least. Don't have anything on a 5-minute. So I'd be patient right now. Wait for the market to start speaking. We got that hit of 160 after the rejection up here. Let's see, try to say good morning to everyone. What's up, Kamal? Good morning. Piper James in the house. MG, Penny Schoonover. Yeah, Schoonover. Not financial advice is here. What's up, Mo? Joshua, what's up? 121 HR is here. Safe is in the house. Obscura. Paul Verizon says, good morning. I'm trying to organize a hide and seek competition, but it's really hard to find good players. That's one I got to share with my girls today. That's a good one. What's up, Patty? Good morning. Abel Jason's here. We got Trader Girl Paige in the house. We got Candidly Camilla's here. Yeah? Yeah.
I was gonna say I'm so late with that.
Yeah, I know. But never too late to say good morning. We got what's up, Con? Good morning, bro. Sam B's in the house, nice and early. Teaching tomorrow's teaching the youth for tomorrow. Teaching the future, I should say. Safe, I'll answer your question. On what basis MOAS shows up? Like, for example, green MOAS, 1 minute, 5 minute. I'm not understanding that question. Could you just elaborate a little bit more on that question? NVIDIA, AMD, Oracle, Microsoft shares of OpenAI partners fall after report OpenAI falls short of revenue and user targets. Oh, okay. Good morning, Darlock. That's why we're having such a pullback on the NVIDIA and the rest of the markets here. This area here could have some support. I'm watching this area for a bounce.
I'm so corny when I say jokes.
No. You heard what Paul said this morning? Did you hear his dad joke this morning? Paul's dad joke?
No.
He's trying to organize a game of hide and seek, but it's really hard to find good players. He's trying to organize a game of hide and seek, but it's really hard to find good players.
Oh, because they're all bad.
What?
Because you can't find them.
You can't find them. No, it's hard to find good players. Like,
that's what I'm saying, because the ones in front of you are all bad. What?
I don't know, babe. All right, you guys ready for a possible, looks like a possible bounce? Yeah, have Patty explain it to you, babe. Tell Patty to tell you.
Yeah, she did. She said because they're hidden.
Yeah, because they hide really well. Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like he doesn't explain a joke.
All right, I'm gonna go long here.
Oh, we're gonna go on.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this long. It's a little late on it, but I like it. All right, I'm gonna put my stop here at this last wick low at 139. Stop. I'm gonna shoot for. Let's see. I'm gonna shoot for the VWAP rejection again at 226. I'm not looking for much. Sell limit 226. I just want a little bit more to top off these accounts and see if we can get that push up to 226 again. Test that VWAP. Yeah, maybe.
It was used, so you don't have to. It wasn't expensive.
Yeah. Okay, I'll pull it back again.
You know what's so funny? Lewis was born in Guatemala, but he does not like talking Spanish. And I talk more Spanish than he does, even though sometimes it's broken. And then every time I talk to him in Spanish, he talks to me in English. I'm like, what's the point? What's the point? She's still waiting for her dad. She's still waiting for her dad to come. She's still waiting for her dad to come in. You know what's funny? Kayla does the same thing to her sister when she's going somewhere and she purposely stops in the way just to mess her sister up. I swear. Oh my gosh, kids are so funny. Exactly. Patty was just telling me that Mahoney was Callahan was blocking the way so Mahoney couldn't get through, like his sister does. And once Mahoney was looking a different direction, that's when she went with her kuda on him.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time here. Having a hard time here trying to break back up. See if we can catch a bounce. I really liked that bounce from our volume level there, but she is having a hard time here getting above. All right, this is not gonna go, so we're gonna come lower. Yeah, this is not gonna go. See if we can get back on this bounce. I'm out. I'm gonna close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. I'm out. Yeah, this is gonna have a hard time here. I'm out. That's not what I want to see. They're not getting a clean move to the upside. This is not looking the strongest. Never mind. There it goes. Never mind. There it goes. This is annoying. There's no MOAS right now. And on what chart are you looking at? Yeah, this is for the ES. This is for the NQ. You're supposed to be on the NQ. But I think we're gonna get a move down. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get a move down. Shorts are gonna probably come in here. Yeah, I'm looking for a short opportunity here. I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna put a stop up at the 214 level. And I'm looking for a TP probably. Maybe we might hit 85 to the downside. I'm gonna put a TP at 85.
But your stop is 214.
My stop is 214, but my TP is 85. You talking to me?
Yeah. No, well, both.
Yeah, I'm short. I'm not long.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but it looks like this thing's gonna pop now. No, never mind. Now this thing wants to rip. Forget it.
Alright.
Forget it. It still might be short here though, but I'm just keeping my patience here. Yeah, now this thing went to 226. There it goes. Right to my target, my initial target. Alright, screw it. Still looking for opportunity here to see which way it goes, but that was retarded. Yeah, right to my target. Holy smokes. Right to my initial target. All right, we've taken a VWAP here for the second time. Let's see if we can get a rejection. I think we could. I think we could. Forget about VWAP, then forget it. It's probably gonna fly, but we'll see. Got a minute and 20 seconds here to figure out what the 5 minute wants to do. Right now it looks like bulls are taking full control again on the 5 minute. Gonna be patient here and wait to see what they want to do. Looks like that initial move to 226 was the right idea. But I should just sat patient. That's what happens when you don't sit in your trade and you don't commit. You end up doing dumb stuff like that. All right. Looks like bulls are in control here. Very much in control. I like the longs better right now. I do expect them to still pull back though. Maybe still pull back into like 125 to sweep this one more time. I'm gonna take a quick short here. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna see if we can take it maybe down to 145. 145 target. Yeah, I did at least. I could be wrong here. Make the target 175 instead. Yeah, let's just be a little safer here. Let's see if we can get this pushed down. Might be no dice for the shorts though. This is it's still a green wave, but I'm expecting some resistance. See some mixed signals, but I don't know why. Sellers might not be giving up here. They are still trying. They are still trying to go. Not looking weak at all. TP 175. Let's see if we can get to 175. I think we could. It's not a big target, but I think they could have that pullback before going higher. We need this to keep going here. If it doesn't, then we're probably going to get a pop. Who's in charge here? Who's in charge? Oh man, buyers stepping back in. It's going, it's going. Getting close here. We get a MOAS power short down to 140, possibly confirming here. 135. Just missed our TP there by like a hair. You gotta be kidding me right now. They missed your TP?
Yeah.
All right, we got the MOAS power short down right now to 133. I'm gonna move my TP to 133. Yeah, it looks like we could have a move and make it 130, 138. Because we missed our last TP there by a hair, so if this does play out, comes back down, it should give us that target. If it doesn't, then whatever. We got robbed. Her palm position, that's good. That's good. Mark is definitely not being friendly here. That's for sure. She's not being easy. Real tough. Why do you always gotta do this to me? I always play with my emotions like this. We need this push. Definitely need this push. Next 5-minute candle closes red. They could be dumping this thing hard. We got 40 seconds for that 5-minute candle to close red. Good chance that it could. All right, good. Nice solid push. Go, go, go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We need 15 seconds here for that 5-minute to close red, and then it should be a lock, at least for that 135 level. All right, good, good, good. Keep going, baby. Keep going, baby. Keep going. You keep going. All right, 5-minute close red. That is great. We just need to have a, we just need to get the NQ to break 166 to the downside here. We should have a flush to 135. A couple buyers stepped in there on that last little push. Hoping we can get a continuation on the rejection. We need to get this candle closing red here. It's a battle. This is a battle. This is a battle. Let's see what happens at 160 if we can get down there. Okay, we just got another MOAS power short on a 15-second. Target on that one would be 159, 154. Let's push here NQ. Come on, NQ. We need you down at 135. Trying to be done here before 11, NQ. Yeah, I expect to bounce at 160 also. See if we can break 160. 160 is going to have a pop probably. We're at 160. Sellers are still in control here, very much so. Let's see if we can go and continue pushing. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. We need you down. We need you down. Down at 135. A little bit more. Smart move, a bell for exiting your short at 159. Smart move. I'm holding for a little bit more. Let's see, we have to close this candle red here. Let's see if we can close this candle red. That's so far so good. Nice, keep pushing, keep pushing. Let's break 159. Keep going, NQ, keep going. Nice, NQ, nice. Nice, NQ, keep pushing, baby, keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep going, girl, come on. A little bit more, a little more. Little more. Little more, NQ, little more. Take it, NQ, take it. Take it, girl. Take it, NQ. Take it, NQ. Go ahead and move your stop to break even, babe, just to protect your position for any weird things that might happen. Any crazy news-driven candles that might give us a 300-point spike, you never know. To break even. Come on, push, baby, push. We just need a few more points. A few more. A little more. Don't be so rude, NQ. It is. It's gonna mess with us. It is gonna mess with us. come on, NQ, knock it off. Are you serious right now? Another day, another NQ.
Yeah. Oh, today. For today. On Wednesday.
Come on, NQ. Left us high and dry there. Keep pushing, girl. Keep pushing. We need you at 135, 138. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. You're gonna give me a heart attack here. I'm too young to die. Come on, NQ. Yeah, this thing's gonna rip right up to 203 and then take us out and come right back down.
I got ones here and did not call this, and people just start calling me. That's such a lie.
They call you more when you're gonna do not call this.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, this is annoying now. Stop messing around in Q. Just push this thing down to 138 already. Let's go. Yeah, I'm losing all my mental fortitude with you nice and early in the morning.
Oh, they're telling me.
A little bit more.
That's cute.
Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. A little more. A little more. Don't pop it to 203, baby. I know you want. I know you're dying to pop it to 203 just to take my stop and come right back down. Come on, baby. Push. Push. I know you just want my stop. I know I'm special, but come on, NQ. Let's go.
Every time someone said I'm very special, I'm like, yeah, special ed.
Especially retarded. Come on, NQ. Don't do this to me. A little bit more.
I do it to my sister because they're wrong.
No, no, wrong way, NQ. Wrong way, wrong way. Wrong way. She wants to pop the 203 right before. Oh my God. Oh, Lord. Yo, she really is going to pop the 203 just to come right back down. There we go. Come on, NQ. Come on, bro. Bro. NQ. Let's go. Oh man, she's such a Karen, bro. It's like you gotta fight for every point. You gotta fight for every little iota of a point. Every tick is a battle. Will you please knock it off and you can go?
Oh, I thought you were talking to me for a second.
No, not you. Go. You can keep singing. Oh, there we go. Oh, the field. All right. All right. There we go. We're done. All right. I can breathe again. Ah. Thank you. What's you doing to me? All right.
Oh, it is a cream. That's what it's used.
It is a cream?
Cream and
Okay.
I think I'm gonna call
Call it, baby.
on the bright side. Yesterday,
Yeah, it's smart to call it because tomorrow's FOMC.
what's it called? What's that word where what's that word called when yesterday it kind of recovered from what today recovered from what happened yesterday?
You made your money back?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
'Cause
recovered?
I was down like 17.
Yeah, you lost like $17 yesterday. And it's small. That's a good day to lose. I mean, that's a good amount to lose. Is like a $17 red day. That's amazing.
No, yeah, I'm just saying, what is the word? I recovered from what I lost yesterday?
Yeah,
I think there's a smarter word for that.
No, you recovered. That's what it's called.
Recoiled? No.
Recoiled? Yeah.
That's the word, right?
You reconstructed? No, I'm just
I
kidding.
reconstructed.
You reconciliated? Or you
Reconciled?
reconciled? No,
Reconciled.
reconciled? I guess. You even the score. You even the tables. You did it, babe. Good job.
Okay, can you hear me?
All right, we got that TP. Yeah, nice TP. Man, that was rough. That was rough.
Yeah. I'm so grateful. I'm so
Good morning, Bovi Stato. How are you, man? How you doing?
I'm up, so I'm grateful about that. I'm sure I even made back whatever I lost yesterday. So I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, Lewis said it's probably smart because what's tomorrow again?
Tomorrow's FOMC day. That's rate decision. Rate, yeah. The Federal Reserve, they make rate decisions on the rates that, yeah, the interest rate decisions for our country. So those days are usually very wild, but the days before are usually very choppy. Thank you, guys. Always exit when you see a trade going hard against you. Attending Bitcoin Vegas, shorted Bitcoin at the high last night. Good job. 20 high. It was incredible. You would make a great labor delivery coach. Yeah, I'm gonna actually get a part-time Lamaze class teacher.
No.
Yeah, yeah, I am. So far the ATRs are holding up. 26. Yeah, give us 130. Thanks, Abel. What's up, Pecos? This PA is very price actiony. Yeah, it is. It's better than yesterday, that's for sure.
I'm gonna go to the pharmacy.
You going to pharmacy? Thanks, bud. You gotta enter another shortly because the breakout structure will be revisited downside again, most likely to 130, 120 area.
Okay, that's all I'm gonna look for.
Okay, baby. Recouped? Recouped is the word, right? Babe? Recouped?
There you go, I recouped.
Yeah, it did dump.
That's the word.
Also meant to say any shorter NQ last night as well.
Tell that person thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Spray Shield Industries. My wife says thank you. Also meant to say shorter. Yeah, you shorted in Q2. That's great. SPY made new lows. Lord, I accidentally entered 7 contracts on that short and they hit. Damn, dude. I got the win, but had a jump scare. Great job. Great job, brother. All right, we are pushing hard here. Let's go ahead and check out what we are seeing. I did see that we had some real good volume on the delta here at this level. So I'm looking to see if maybe they give us a bounce. This looks like it could be resistance. This right here was my signal. Start looking for shorts, even though I had a nice little I had an idea that she could bounce back to VWAP, but I got scared out. I got shaken out. Stupid me. I could have been up over almost 300 today if I didn't make this mistake in here. But we did catch the short here at a good time. This thing is pushing hard. You okay, babe? Mold? No. We're getting a dumperoni and cheese, guys.
It's heavy, look like there's water in it. It's not supposed to.
This is mold. Water got in it. You throw it out. I can smell it from here. There's a what? Where, under the sink? Alright, I'll check it out. Stopped out of the ES long at 62 from 66. Damn, Bart, sorry to hear that. We can't be afraid to exit a trade early when we see the market wants to destroy our entry. Yeah, wasn't time yet. I like entering 40 micros and then getting a new account. Nice. Nice call on short smooth. Thank you, Darlock. Up a few hundred for the day. It's going to 950 for sure, says Bobby Stato. Yeah, 950 doesn't look like it's out of the question. What's going on to everybody over in the TikTok world? How you doing? What is going on, guys? I'm going to pick a winner from yesterday's TikTok subscribers today. I'm going to do that. I'm going to put their names on the wheel of fortune. Let's see if we can find that wheel. And put the names on that wheel. Do this in real time. Let's see. From our new TikTok fam. All right, so we've got okay, we put these names in here. Okay, all right, we got our names. Oh, wow, this looks like it's about to pop here. You can get a pop here. Looks like I might take a quick long on this. This looks like it could give us a little bit of a couple doll hairs. I'm hoping. All right, baby. All right, I'm gonna try the long here, even though we can get a pullback. I'm gonna try the long here. Let me see where I would want to take the long to though. Possibly 136. 130 maybe. If we get stopped, that's cool. Sell limit. All right, I'm gonna try a long up to 130. Try along to 130, and that'll be my last. All right, good rally here. See if we can get 130. $160, wow, really? Yeah, if we break this recent high here, I'll probably move the break even and leave it for 150. Yeah, that looks pretty good if we can go. We're not wrong here. Yeah, what a nasty pullback. That's a nasty one. Holy smokes, we might just get stopped out here. That was really nasty. We're going to 920 first? Okay. I didn't see your message till now. She's heavy here. She is heavy. Yeah, she's pushing. So you keep going. Big seller sitting up there at the 100 level. Big seller sitting at 100. Damn. What a rejection we just got there. Yeah, trying to keep us under that point of control. Starting to look pretty heavy. Looked good at first. Looked real good at first. We even had a couple bucks up, but big sellers sitting up there around 100. Yeah, looks like she's coming down here for the kill. And I'll get stopped out here. Why was this one so much faster than my original trade? This thing went so quick. But my original trade took forever to get the stop loss. I mean, to get the TP. Yeah, this thing might still get a bounce after sweeping me. Yeah, we're out. Actually, we're still in, but we're out. We're gonna be out here in a second. Now we're out. That sucked. All right, we had it for a minute there, but unfortunately there is too much sell pressure here at 108. Too much sell pressure. We'll get it back. Still wants lower. We hit a real nice level on the 1 minute on the ES here too. That's what gave me extra confidence that we hit this level. We hit this. Now we're gonna sweep this 5 minute level here. Could end up getting a little bit of a bounce from there, or maybe we just get a continuation. We'll see. All right, let's go back to what we were doing. Our wheel of names. All right, so we got our wheel of names here from TikTok. Let's see if we can go ahead and spin our wheel. All right, our winner is Andre. I think Andre watches this on YouTube too, so congratulations, Andre. Congratulations to you, my friend. Let me... I don't know if you guys can see that. Why on YouTube you can't see that? I mean, why on TikTok you can't see the screen? Oh, that's why. Okay. Yeah, here on TikTok, you guys can see the screen now. I landed on Andre. Landed on Andre. See, all your names are in here for who subscribed yesterday. So thank you for that. Okay, we'll see what happens here, guys. I would be open to taking another long here if we do get a signal that the buyers are stepping back in with the delta. We'll see. But we are very close to that 27K mark. We'll see what happens first. You see if buyers step back in here on the delta. They are. They certainly are. I'd be open to taking another long here. Let's see if we can get it. You know, if we get stopped again, it's fine. It is what it is. Overnight low just been swept. Overnight low has just been swept. And I'm gonna try the long again. Up to 140. If I get stopped here, it's cool. It's cool. 140. Yeah, straight down. Straight down. Like, didn't even take 1 second to go right straight right back down. That's hilarious. Looks like they want 27K maybe. Let's see if the buyer's stepping back in here. 140 would be my TP. Yeah, damn, that was a nasty rejection. The minute we got a good signal there, the sellers took right back control. Yeah, it looks like sellers are still way too strong here. Setting traps all the way down. Yeah, nothing but shorts. Nothing but shorts so far. Sellers way too strong. Yeah, we're gonna stop out here again. Yeah, another stop out. Ah, that's unfortunate. We're down 25 bucks on this account, on these accounts. But I'm pretty sure she's gonna go. Yeah, there it goes.
Order filled.
Just wanted my stop. I'm gonna bring it down again. Wow, they really are bringing it down again. Yeah, they got that wicked pop there, and now they're bringing it down again. Wow, this is crazy. No way. All right, here we go. Maybe we get this juice in here now. But sellers are relentless right now. Yeah, they just wanted my stop there in that move. That sucked. Let's see if they can push above 50. Let's see if they can get back above 50. It looks pretty good here. The delta's strong. The delta's real strong for the buyers right now, but sellers don't care, man. Holy smokes. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, the delta's super viciously strong right now for the bulls. Let's see if we can get a push, man. Holy smokes. It should get a nasty pop, but man, the sellers are not giving up. Oh, sorry. We got one at 98. We got DP at 140. Let's see if they'll push. Yeah, cons in this long. Yeah, longs are gonna definitely show their face here. The delta's showing it. Got point of control here on the ES sitting at 161. This level here earlier was support, now turned resistance at 80. We got to break 80. If we break 80, we can get 100. You wanted this all day, Con? Nice, man. Good call. Not financial advice. Why did you tell me to wait till it picks a side? But the minute Con says he's waited for this all day, now you're full port? Like, dude, what is that about? Shorting every pullback, hopefully, says Bobby Stato. That's a good call too, man. Look at how thick the red wave is right now. This thing is real thick. So what I'm looking for here is a hit at 80, I mean 100, and then a 140 if we can get 140. We'll see. $130 is your target? Nice, Con. I got 140 up there. Oh, we got one. I'm gonna move my second one to break even there. Let's see if we can get this push above 100 here. We should be able to hit 130, 140 pretty easily. 135 maybe? 35, 140. Yeah, I'm gonna go 135 on it. Oh, we hit both? How did we hit both here on a paper trade? All right, we got it. Looks like we're gonna get it here soon. Good call here, Con. Nice move on the way up. See if we can get hit that 130, 135 level. I knew it was coming. I know the chat was trying to talk me out of it, but I knew it was gonna come. Was I a little early to it? Absolutely. It's okay. Things happen. Things happen. Market is not gonna be easy, ever. Never gonna be easy. She's gonna give us a pullback all the way back to my stop. I hope not. Getting a pushback at 120. Yeah, we just swept this local high right there at 120. That's why we're getting that pullback. Let's hope that she can catch her second wind here and push back up higher. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on in, Q. Let's go, baby. Keep pushing. Show them who's boss, baby. Go, 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 go. Let's go, baby. Push that. Yeah, this price action is actually really good compared to being, I mean, given the fact that we got FOMC tomorrow and we've had nothing but garbage recently. Yesterday was garbage. Yesterday was straight garbage. So given the fact that we've got this little nice price action today, I'm trying to make some money with it, but it's not easy either, you know. Just because she's moving doesn't mean it's easy. All right, she's pulling all the way back now. What's she gonna do? Now we're gonna the 5 minutes about to close really bullish, man. This thing is gonna fly. I think this thing is gonna fly because the buyers are controlling the delta big time right now on the 5 minute. This thing is gonna probably fly. Next 10 seconds here. The 5 minute candle is gonna close extremely bullish. If we could hold. All right, just close that candle. This thing should have a pop to the upside here. It looks really good. Let's see if we can continue making higher highs. It might get stopped out here if it continues lower. But that's a break-even stop. Yeah, that was make that last one. Oil is falling. Oil is falling big time. They're gonna circle back from my stop in particular. My stop's at 56. Is that all they want? They just want my stop to then move it up again? Perhaps. Sounds about right. Yeah, they just want my stop. I know they just want my stop. I'm gonna give her some more room here because I know they want my stop. I know they want 50 and then they want to bring it back up. If I get stopped, it's all good. Yeah, my entry was right here at 56. As soon as it hits 56, it's probably gonna rip to the upside. Maybe right here, 50. It should probably fly after that. Maybe not. Maybe it'll come and take me out. Maybe it'll come stop out the whole move. That would be unfortunate, but the 5 minute just closed really bullish. So that's why I'm hanging my hat on that 5 minute that it's gonna hold. $27K is still down there though. Yeah, you got a target at 27K exactly. On a 15-second, that's not good. Buyers are trying to hold this above 27K. Will it hold though? Will it hold? It's not looking too good. $15 seconds not shaping up too hot right now. Okay, there we go. Maybe we get a push. She's looking better. Buyer delta stepping back in. I'm still in this thing. Just wanted to show you guys. Still in it. This next candle here needs to close green. If it does, we get a green candle close here with a bullish delta. This thing should fly higher. If it closes red, we might be in trouble. Okay, buyers kick back in, kicking back in. Good, 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 good. I like to see it. Okay, that closed red with a doji though. Damn. Actually, it's still open. It's still open. Can you push, NQ? Can you push? Damn, that closed red. All right. No, I'm good, baby. Thank you. No, I'm actually fine. Thank you. Okay, buyers are still here, guys. The buyers are still in it. Let's see if they can hold. Yeah. Looking for a long push here up to 130 maybe. 135. She's getting real Karen-y though.
Yeah,
She never makes it easy.
a good woman never knows.
A good woman never does. She's not a good woman, that's one thing. She ain't definitely not a good woman. No one's ever said that about the NQ. She's a good woman. Definitely not. Definitely not one you want to bring home to mama. There we go. I'm gonna take a little risk off here. Risk at about 20 points. See if we can get this move up to 135 still. We're going to 927, says Bobby Stato. I hope you come and hit my target first, and then we can go to 927, Bobby Stato. All right, I'm gonna take all the risk off this trade. My stop's at 56. If we can break this 100 point of control here, then we should fly to 130, 135, and then we'll call it a day. Man, another nasty pullback. Come on with these pullbacks, NQ. You're making me go crazy here. Hey, what's up, Mike Clay? How are you, man? Haven't seen you in a minute. Always good to see you in here. The OGs. Like Bobby Johnson. We need to break this 100, and then we'll hopefully hit that 135 quickly after that. Come on, baby. Let's go. Just do the twist. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. $15 seconds just gave me a target of 130. I hope it can finally at least give us that. Come on, baby. Stay above 100. Stay above 100. Stay above 100. We like you at 100, but we love you at 130, baby. 135. Let's go. Do it for me and Khan. And for the rest of the crew who's long. Buyers still have the delta and control on the 5 end, but man, I see ugly right now with these pullbacks. He'll probably come and get my stop again. He'll probably come and get it again. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Break through like the woo, baby. Go, 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 go. Go. Do it for me. Do it for Khan. Let's go, baby. Push. Push, NQ. Push. Break that 100 level, baby. Let's go. Are you already out? Khan, you're already out? Oh, man, you left me all by myself. No wonder she came back down, because she knew you were out of the trade. She knew you were out of the trade, dude. You left me high and dry. How you gonna leave me hanging like that? Damn, Khan. Thought we was boys. Come on, baby. Push it for me then. Come on. Just do it for me. Wow, we got a 160 level here on the 1 minute now. You guys think we could get 160? 155? That's what the 1 minute's saying. We need to close this in the next 30 seconds to confirm that. Damn, we'll pull back. Push, NQ, push. Push, close green at least, baby. Close green at least. Close green at least. All right. We got a 160 target to the upside on the 1 minute. Let's see if we get at least 135 for our troubles. Let's get 135 for our troubles, NQ. Come on, baby, push. Just when everybody counted you out, baby, I still believed in you. Let's go. Come on. Come on, stay above 100. We don't need that point of control. No, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push, NQ, push. That level's important here. We gotta stay above it. She's collecting souls here at 100. She's collecting the souls. Not yet. We're in green. We're green, but she's not pushing. She's not breaking this 100 level. She's having a hard time. ES is stuck on the point of control. That's the problem. We got the ES stuck at the point of control. Man, come on, NQ. Just this one time, baby. Just this one time. Can you just do it this one time for me? Looks like we're not going to get it, man. Looks like she's going to fold. Looks like she's going to fold. It's NVIDIA holding on to. NVIDIA's trying to close green on this candle here, which is nice. I think it could go. Buyers are there. Mag 7 look like they're also trying to erase early losses. Come on, NQ. I know this time it's for real. This time it's for real. This time it's for real, NQ. I know you can. Come on, baby. Pop it like you mean it, baby. Pop it like you mean it. Pop it like you mean it. Damn, man. She's giving us a hard time. Giving us a real hard time here at 100. Sellers are starting to step back in here on the ES and on the NQ, on the Delta. Come on, NQ, not today, baby, not today. Don't do this, NQ. Not today, baby. Yeah, I saw that on the Delta. I saw that rollover coming on the Delta. I seen it on the Delta. I seen it. Damn. Looks like we're gonna get our stop taken. I should have just taken my profits at 100. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, so we're gonna get our move down. And we're gonna get stopped out here in just a moment. And then it's gonna rip 200 points. Yeah, there's liquidity below me, so I'm pretty much gonna get my stop taken here. There's liquidity below me, right below my entry. There's liquidity, and if we do get stopped here, then it's gonna rip right back up. I know it. I see it on the 5-minute. I see it on the 5-minute candles. There's a real good chance that we continue moving higher. Wow, wow. Did she save us by a hair here? Maybe. Not likely though. I usually don't get saved by a hair. Usually you get stopped out by a hair. Usually don't get saved by a hair. I do know the buyers are strong in this region now. I saw it earlier. But I don't know if they're going to be able to hold it. Yeah, it's coming back for me. It's coming back. Maybe come back. Don't come back. Baby, don't come back. Yeah, here comes the stop out. They want this 50 level before thinking about moving it back up, if they move it back up at all. Should have taken those profits at 100, right? What a degen. What a degen I am. What a degen. I'm a dirty degen. Still like the longs though. It may not happen, but I still like them. Yeah, here it comes. And we're out. All right. Good enough. Good enough. I knew that was going to happen. Whatever, man. Whatever, man. I'm mad now. I'm pissed off. Thank you. The things that would do to you if you're a human being. They want 27K, people say. Yeah, maybe so. Maybe so. Five-minute target on the ES is all the way down here. We got a couple of them. ES looks real heavy. ES looks real heavy. Shorts are the way. 3 targets to the downside for the ES. 1 invalidation level up here. I thought we were going to hold this level here so we can go and hit this level up there, but she probably will still do that, but she wanted my stop loss first. This market, I tell you. I'll tell you guys, this market. 27K sitting right here at 27K. 27K sitting here at 27,000 exactly. What's that number? Shorts keep getting shorter. Yes, they do, Levolution. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm still looking to possibly try a long. Got a target down here on the 1 minute down at 26,870. I don't know if that's going to happen or if the longs are going to happen. One of the two are going to happen. I still like the longs. Based on the 5 minute, I still like the longs. Right now we got a lot of mix, a lot of chop. Big old mixed bag. It's unbelievable. That's why you can't believe it. Oh man. It's unbelievable. I see trapped shorts, man, at around 27K. That's why I have a hard time believing that they're gonna let those guys off the hook. If they let the sellers off the hook there at 27K, then it's probably gonna go a lot lower, down to this 875 level. Right here we have trap shorts. In this move, we have trap shorts. But damn, why didn't you just start squeezing sooner? Why all the drama, NQ? Why the pullback? Yeah, for sure, Con. Distribution phase, S-dub, I say we continue down. I mean, that's wishful thinking. I hope they continue down as well. But right now the 5-minute is telling me that we had some trap shorts around 27.12 this morning. And that's the reason why I was looking for longs. So you guys probably think I'm just degenning longs, but I have my method to my madness. Tory's loving this PA, says Levolution. I think they want a red day today, create room for the Fed decision tomorrow. Could be. I'm surprised we're getting this much good movements today. To be honest with you, I'm surprised we're getting good moves with tomorrow being FOMC. Got a pretty decent ATR. We even had good moves in the pre-market. This is mostly madness to my madness. 910 for a bull. Yeah. 910. Yeah. 875. Here's another level that we got. Yeah, we're getting a MOAS signal on the 15-second right now, pointing for downside. Question is, are they going to let these sellers off the hook at 27.12? Are they going to? Okay, yeah, looks like they're gonna push because they might take that 27K or lower. 15-second is indicating that we will come see 962.
You got it?
No, I got break even on it though. Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm a little green. I wasn't as green as I was when you left, but it happens. Walking? What thing? You bought a camera? From where? From who? When? Okay. Okay, babe. Hmm? All right, we might get this. We might get this pop here right before 27.12. They're really being dramatic here. Let's see what happens. Q's new low for the day. Yeah. Huh? I don't know what you're saying. I mean, that's fine. That would make him, they're building a double bottom, but being absorbed. Yeah, sellers are being absorbed, but the minute those buyers kick in after sellers absorb, those sellers that are absorbing will be trapped. Kind of like what happened back here. That's exactly what happened back in here. So let's see. Oh, by the way, Andre McCricky, go to our Discord. Our Discord is pinned in the chat. Let me go ahead and pin that for you real quick. YouTube pin chat. Can I type in here? Damn, I can't paste in the chat. That's so gay. That is so gay. All right, I just pinned it in the chat. And on YouTube and on on TikTok, I just pinned in the chat our Discord and everything else you guys need to know right there. So just go to our Discord, open up a ticket, and I'll get you that 25K Lucid eval, Andre. So congratulations, Andre, on taking that. All right, let's see if we hit 27K. After 27K, it looks like the target could be down in the 960s, maybe the 875s. Got a thick red wave right now, so shorts are probably going to be more likely unless we leave these traders trapped here at 27.12. That is the question right now. Do they leave these guys here trapped, or do they continue to push down and trap these guys up here? On the 5-minute, I don't see too much of that. Oh, we'll see. Maybe the longs got trapped at 100. Your internet went out this morning, Abs? Well, at least you're back now. Yeah, we need to get price above this level here in order for us to clean a bullish trend again, because we have a lot of volume. They came in here pushing this price down. Next leg down is coming, says S-Dub. Longs are trapped at 90s, says Khan. Yeah, I know, man. These guys got trapped up here. I see it. On the 5-minute, though, not so much. On the 1-minute, yes. But we are getting a little bit of a push here. As long as we can break above the 40s, we should be able to continue going. Yeah, those trapped sellers are at 12 are probably going to remain trapped. Yeah, look at this, man. Look at this. Double bottom right there so far. Let's see if this holds. These longs is what I wanted. What's up, bud? All right, let's see if we can break above this level here, back up above the 40s. Oil just kind of going sideways right now on its VWAP. NQ making it really hard, and ES making it really hard to figure out what direction they want to go in. Obviously, the trap traders here at 27.12 is a real thing. We've also got trap traders up here at 90s. That's also a real thing. So we might be making a double bottom here on the 5 minute. If we end up closing a green candle on the 5 minute, I'll probably take the long again. If we don't, then it's going to be a dump, a sode. Nice job, Margaret, making money on the fundeds. Super proud of you. Bovistata doesn't want to catch any falling swords. I want to personally trap buyers as up shorts. I think they want to show some support, but I will ultimately trap buyers. Maybe. I'm reading Delta here and seeing what they want to do, but hard to say right now. It's hard to say. Haven't broken above this 48 level yet, this 50 level. This is where we started selling off hard. So there are some active sellers in here that are trying to keep price down below 50 now. Triple bottom on the ES 5 minute. There's a good number. Yeah, there's a triple bottom. If you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure to join the or follow us here, because we are live every morning from 9:15, 9:30 from the open. Appreciate you guys here. And we got about a minute and a half before we close this next candle on the 5, and it looks like it wants to bottom out. Honestly, it looks like it wants to bottom out. Sold one ES long at 54.49. Next target's 59. Nice Bart. This 5 minute candle has a minute before it closes. Right now, she's not looking too good. It's not looking too good, but the buyers are still pushing. Aggressive buyers are still pushing here. $30 seconds. Let's see if they can get some buyers to go. It's not looking like it. 5 minutes not looking too hot. We still have the aggressive buyers on the delta on the 5 minute. We still have them, but we didn't get the follow through on the candle. So there's a no-go as of right now. It's about to close here in 1 second. Yeah, it's a no-go as of right now. Even though it is looking like we still have, I would say, these aggressive buyers here. They haven't really shown their strength yet. So I'm gonna go use a bathroom break real quick. I'll be right back, guys. Get another Moas power short here. Yet another one underneath that 48 level. That looks pretty heavy right there. Could give us the push down. Let's see if this confirms. Oil's climbing back above the VWAP right now. Let's see what we get here on the... Yes, looking weak. And Q as well. We're stuck below this 50 level. Yeah. This is when I should have got out because we had that negative delta there. Should have taken profits on this candle. This looks like it wants to push to 972. We have a 962 level on the 15 second. So we've got basically a 1 minute and a 15 second, both confirming more downside. Got a level here, 73. And see if they let these sellers at 27.12 off the hook. If they do, that is a very bearish indication. She did it for the boys, says Hamby. Trump and his BS. I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't think anybody believes anything on the news anymore. The same way we had aggressive buying happening in the past month or so, we will see the same on the selling side. Yeah, Stub. I'm flat right now. I don't have any trades on. She did it for the boys. Sam B says, give us 975 later in a day for us. The floor has been weakened by trying to break it 3 times, or strong because it didn't break 3 times. Bears and bulls. Yeah, I know. This is quite the spectacle to see here. This 12 level is ironclad. They got those sellers trapped down there, so the buyers are defending it tooth and nail. Just like 100 is going to be hard to break on the way up if we get a bounce. But right now things look rather weak. That I will say. Let's look at the Mag 7 real quick. Yeah, that's holding that level at 66.50. And Nvidia had a real good attempt here, but not really doing much with it. They have some flushing left to do, says Khan. Yeah, that, for me, this 50 level is the line in the sand. That is either they're gonna hold it and dump, or they're gonna break it and pump. Yeah, this will be interesting to watch here. Yeah, this looks pretty strong. This move right back up here looks pretty strong. Looks like they want to break this 50 level this next go around. Triple bottom here. Shout out to Miguel, Bum, DXNFX, and user 966 over in TikTok. How you guys doing? All right, let's see if we can get this push here above 50 again. Maybe we got to move up. Why does everyone hate Leering centers? Because we got to pay for them. Take care, Bo Stato. You're heading off to a conference, leaving short till close? Okay, good for you, brother. What does your setup look like, Smooth? Like your monitors? You want to see? I'll show you guys. We got some time right here. I got a video on our channel where you can see what it looks like. Let me just show you that. You guys can watch this video right here on how I created my workstation. All right, there you go. There you go. There you go. That's what it looks like. That's what it looked like. What language is that on your screen? Welcome to? What do you mean, Haifu? It's a smooth setup. Thank you, thank you. I had the same mouse and keyboard. Yeah, they're pretty good. I like them. I like them. All right, here we had a little bit of absorption by the bulls. They got trapped here on this move up. This thing could end up moving down now. They're really defending that level at 12. Really defending it. Really, 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 really defending it. $71.38 is a key level. Gotcha. Trend lines have been working all day. Nice, man. That's someone's username. Nice. Let's see what happens here, guys. The 30-minute here is looking to close bearish, but if it closes bullish right now, it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over, man. Got about 45 seconds to confirm what it wants to do. Yeah, look, the longs are looking like they want to come in. 10 seconds to see what kind of close we get here on the 30-minute. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, they demolished that candle, whatever was left of it. I'm going to go to long if I get stopped. That's it. I got to go anyway, guys, but I'm going to try a long. My stop's going to be at 24. Do I want to do 24? My stop's going to be at 18. Yeah, I'm going to let it ride. I got to go, guys, but say a quick prayer for you guys. And I got to go get some work done here for the channel. I'm going to say a prayer for everyone here. Before we do go, make sure if you guys want to use the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, go ahead and go to TradingView. In TradingView, you guys will find Smooth Trader. Just go ahead and type in Smooth Trader. You'll find our volume toolkit for free. You can download this at no cost whatsoever. After that, if you guys want to upgrade to the paid version, we do have the paid version on our website that is pinned in the chat. Go ahead and check it out. It will only be $7 for 7 days if you want to check out the indicator. $7 for 7 days. And if you do like it past that, you can get a subscription or you can get a lifetime membership. Either one works just fine. If you also want to check out the prop firms that we are trading with, the prop firms that I use, check out Apex, Tradeday, Tradeify, and Lucid Trading over on our prop firm matrix that is also pinned in the chat. I have the links for the websites and the highest coupon codes down here as well. You can get accounts for as little as $60. So go ahead and check that out, guys. And I will say a quick prayer for you guys before I do go here. Talking to me? Oh. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for the opportunities that you have given us, Lord. I know that today some people may have done well, some people not so much, Lord, but that doesn't matter. The only thing that matters, Lord, is to have you in our lives. Father, your presence is all that we need. Lord, I pray for this community that anyone here that is going through a rough time financially or medically, Father, or anything else, Lord, that is troubling them, Lord. We give you We present to you that person, or that individual, Lord, who needs to put their faith in you, Lord. That person who needs to lean on you and not their own understanding, Lord. Anyone here, Father, who is having a hard time with relationships, Father, with their family, with their spouses, with their children. Lord, I pray and I hand you over those relationships so you can be in the center of them and you can do what you do best, Father, and that is love them, Father, and bring them closer together, Father. Lord, I also pray to anyone here who has not come to know you, Father, that they will find their way to you, Lord, that somehow you will meet them where they are, Lord, and they will see that you are the one and only true Lord, Father. Father, I also pray that you keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, guys, take care, and I will see you all tomorrow. If you guys want to continue trading with the community, hop on over to our Discord. The Discord link is pinned in the chat, and you can trade in the live trading room with the fellas. Guys, good luck, and I will be holding this trade here more than likely to about maybe that 160 level that we had earlier. So I will see you guys later. Take care, guys, and have a good day.